Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today, we have an update on natural gas. On the daily chart, natural gas has bounced back from the recent lows of 137 and have formed a bearish engulfing formation, while the prices have taken support around the 76.8 retracement level of the recent up move. Natural gas also sustained above the short-term moving average around the level of 146, acting as an immediate resistance. The stochastic has a positive crossover to support the bullish move as it moves from the oversold zone of the oscillator. Therefore, till the prices sustain the yesterday's low, buy and dip strategy should be used, targeting the level of 148 and 150 for the coming session. Hence, we expect natural gas to trade with sideways to positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.